y'all, so I'm back again. So this is going to be another bougie on a budget video. This video is going to be very different from others because we always do fashion related items somewhat, like handbags, sunglasses, shoes, things like that. But this time it's something totally different. So what we're going to be doing this time is contact lenses, because as you guys know, contact lenses can be very expensive, and there is a particular brand that is very popular and they are somewhat expensive. So I have some dupes for you guys, so we're going to jump into that. The contacts that I have are here. They sent them in this box, and these are from Royal Elegance. I will put their website down below. I believe it's royalelegance.bigcartel.com. I'll put it down below for you guys for sure. They do have other types of contacts on the website, not just this particular brand, and they're also coming out with more colors and, you know, adding more things to the website as they go along. So these contacts are supposed to be a dupe for the Solotica contact lenses. Not sure how to pronounce it, if it's Solotica or Solotica, I'm not sure. But these are the HydroCore contact lenses, and these are actually by Freshco. On the Solotica website, I'm trying to click on the HydroCore ones to compare the actual price, but it's not coming up. I'm not sure if you can even purchase from this site, but on another site, I did see them for around 60 bucks. So I'm not really sure what the actual price is, but I know that these contacts can be expensive. But the ones that I have here are definitely a lot cheaper. On the Royal Elegance website, these are $30. So if they are around $60, that's like half of the price. I'm not exactly sure. So I did get 5 colors of these, and I believe there are some others that she has to restock on. So they look really, really pretty on everyone's eyes on here. Like, they make it look really natural, like it's your real eyes. I want to try them all on for you dolls, but my allergies have kind of been bothering me, so I know my eyes are going to be watering all over the place. The first pair that I have is the graphite. We'll post a picture on the side of what they actually look like on someone. So these are the graphites. Graphite ones are like a gray color, which I feel like gray contacts look really good on me. And then the next ones that I have are the Azul contacts, and Azul is blue in Spanish. This is how they look on the model. And then the next ones that I have are called Amber, and I believe these are like a brown tan type of color, kind of like a honey. I can't really see them in the packaging. It's kind of hard to see. They're really light, so I feel like these are going to mesh really well into my eyes. So that is that one. And then the next ones are called Mel, and these are kind of hard to see as well. These look kind of like a tan or a green color. I can't really see how they look in the packaging, but you guys will see it here. And then lastly, we have Marine, and this one is a very turquoisey type of color. But I feel like they would be fun and different. So that is those. So that is all the ones that I received. She did send me 5 of them. My natural eye color first. That's why I didn't just, you know, come into the video with a pair on already. So I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can really see my eyes. Now that we're up close and personal, these are my natural eyes. They are dark brown. Sometimes in certain lightings, they can look a little bit more of a lighter brown color. I don't know what color to try on for y'all. I'm going to try Mel on. They do come like this in little packages. And then also she did send me these. I'm pretty sure they come with your purchase whenever you purchase from her. And they're all the same color, so that's really confusing. So what I'm probably going to do is just write somewhere on the back of it with a marker or something so that I know what is what, or take the stickers off of here and put it on here somewhere so that I can keep up with what is what for you dolls, because whenever I wear them, I know I'm going to be getting questions, so I need to know what they are. So you can really see each one is made just like this, but they are different colors. So it's kind of like really soft, and it doesn't have like a lot of detail to it like most contacts do. So I feel like it's going to mesh into your eyes. So I'm going to just show you guys. I'm going to show you how I put my contacts in. I literally pull down, and then I look up. Place it on, roll my eye around, get the bubbles out, Let's see. Get all the bubbles out and everything like that, and then put it in. And oh my god, this one is green. Actually, it looked yellow, but this shit looks so real that it's spooky because it doesn't have the rim around the outside. And I don't know, y'all, like these look really natural. You can see the brown in the middle of my eye, and it looks really nice. Like you can see the brown, and then you can see the little black iris. And oh my god, y'all, these look really good. They look yellow against my eye by itself, but whenever I put it on my actual eyeball, it definitely looks really pretty. So pretty. Like you can see the difference with this eye, or a little bit blurry right now, but I'm pretty sure that's because I got some of my stuff on it, and I have to like adjust to this turquoise one, because turquoise is not a color that you would see usually on a black person. Sometimes you would, but actually, y'all, I was born with green eyes. My dad had really pretty hazel eyes, and my eyes were green when I was born, but they changed before I left the hospital, y'all, because God knew. God just knew, like, honey, this girl probably gonna already be thinking she too much, and with these eyes, I ain't gonna be able to tell her nothing. So these are the marine ones, and this is more of a turquoise looking blue color, and I'm curious to see how these will look. And yeah, this green is crazy looking. Like it still looks good, but it looks evil, because this is a green that you would not get, like, because it's so aqua marine, like it's very green. This green is something I would totally wear. This is similar to what my eyes were when I was born, like a dark green, natural green type of color. This one is very bright, so I think this is fun for cosplay and, you know, like Halloween and stuff like that. This one I would probably not wear so much, because I feel like it is kind of like, girl, that ain't your eyes, like it can't be. But this one you can definitely pass. It looks very natural. So yeah, you know, you just have to play around with the colors and what you think works for you. And if you want something more brighter and that's what you want, then of course, you know, go for that. But I think the natural colors will be your best bet. And even like a green, it's kind of a little crazy and out there. Most people stick to like hazels and browns, but green can look very good as well. And I already know, because my eyes used to be green, honey. So yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you're able to get some fun contacts. And it's just to change up your look. You know, it makes your makeup look different. You can wear it, you know, different hair, different outfits, and it just changes up your look. Just like we like to wear different outfits or wear different bags and shoes and hair and stuff like that. You can do the same thing with your eyes, and it just kind of can make your look a little bit different. You can look a little bit more exotic. It can be fun or whatever. Like, I don't wear contacts every day. It's just something fun for me to do. And on her website, I'm not exactly sure if you can get a prescription in them or not, because I know I'm probably going to get that question. So you will have to check that out with her. But I love the contacts so far. They are really comfortable as well. I love this color. Me and Mel about to be best bitches. So yes, that is it for this video. If you guys have questions, leave them down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, guys.